Hey, wannabe writers, this is B Revolution with another wise video to help you create your story and get your best storytelling across. What most writers don't know, there's some key elements that go into every great story. In the other video, I talked about inner motivation and outer motivation that your protagonist needs to have. Every story should have that. In this video, I'm going to talk about inner conflict and outer conflict for you to create in your story as well, along with the motivation and inner motivation, outer motivation. It all gels together to make one great story. So inner conflict. Oh, wait a minute. Before I even explain to you what inner conflict is, man, y'all be doing me dirty, man. Y'all be doing me dirty. Y'all be watching these videos, getting this knowledge, and don't even press like on the YouTube page. If what I'm saying is helping you, just press like on the YouTube page. It helps my algorithms. I think that's what you call it. It helps other people get the video, see it. But if you guys, I see where you guys are looking at the video, but nobody press like, and that doesn't feel good. So please, right now, take a moment and press like, especially if my opinion and my wisdom is helping you with your book. Press like, but also subscribe too. So, press like right now. So, inner conflict and outer conflict. It makes your story a lot juicier when a protagonist has that inner conflict and outer conflict. So an example of an inner conflict and outer conflict, let's say you have a guy named Ted, and Ted is dating Marie. Marie wants to know why Ted is not marrying her. They've been together for a few years. So she hounds him about why he's not marrying her. But Ted, in a conflict, is that Marie used to be in a relationship with a woman named Jasmine, and he's still kind of apprehensive about marrying her. That's his inner conflict about marrying her, is that she had a relationship with a woman, and he don't like, he's afraid what everybody think or whatever. So, but his outer conflict is that Marie and Jasmine are still friends. Even though they're not in a relationship or they're not dealing, they're still friends. So that's his outer conflict. That's his inner conflict and his outer conflict. And so basically, when you're writing a story, once you write in the direction where the reader or the where the reader understand what the main character is thinking, he has a problem with Marie because he's a little embarrassed that she had this relationship with a woman, and the fact that this woman is still around is an outer conflict, for him as well, which is why he's not marrying her. But of course, inner and outer conflict can be anything. That's just an example. Inner and outer conflict is very great, and it gives your story out of juice and meat. When people say, and the plot thickens, that's how you do that, along with the inner motivation and outer motivation. So I'm gonna ask you one more time, please like this page and subscribe to my channel. I have several videos on this channel that can help you tell the whole story, but I need you guys to support me, or I'm gonna have to stop making these videos. I need you guys to support, because it makes it feel like I'm not getting the support I want. Like this video, subscribe to the page, and I will continue. And also do mentorship as well. So I'll put all that information on this video. But thank you guys. You guys have a good rest of the weekend.